Hi, this is Ezekiel, your messengerbot guide. Today, I will talk about our flowbuilder video component and its uses. Now, our video component can widen the capabilities of our flowbuilder to be used on different scenarios and businesses. Now, before we start, please do like, subscribe, and share this video. Now, let's go to our messengerbot. Now here, for you to find our flowbuilder, just navigate to Bot Manager here under Messenger Tools. Just click the Bot Manager. Then you will see the Bot Flowbuilder here. Now, you can select the page you want to use your Bot Flowbuilder by clicking this. If you want to set it for your Instagram business account, just click Change to Instagram here. Now for our tutorial purposes, let's just stick to our Facebook page. Now to create a new flow, just click Create New Flow here. There. Everything always starts with Start Bot Flow. This will trigger your bot once the customer enter a specific keywords or click an action button. Now, let's discuss our video component here. Now, to use this video component, just click and drag it here. There. Now, to enter a video inside this component here, just double click it here. Then you can put a reply text message here for your video and also the video file here. Now click the video file. Then enter your desired video here. Please note that it only supports MP4, FLV, and WMV file. Now, our video is uploaded successfully. Then just click Done. There. That will be your video component looks like once you're done. Now I will talk about the input components that are compatible to your video component here. Now, video component can be used for Start Bot Flow here, the first component, New Post Pack, Text, Carousel. Since this is so many, I will just delete it, but Carousel is compatible with our video component. Facebook Media, Image, a video component also, an audio component, and the file component. Then the e-commerce component. You can also use our card component here. Now let's delete this all. Now that's all of the components that can be connected to your video component input. Now let's talk about the output components that can be connected to our video component. Also, video component can be connected to 11 quick replies. You can connect them all at the same time in one single video component, 11 of them. Okay, now the others components that are compatible in our output video component are text, carousel, Facebook media, image, video component, audio component, file, e-commerce component, and user input flow, and also the card component here. Okay, now all of these components are compatible in your output video component. Now, let's try this video component in action. So let's just create a fast flow here. Now we all starts with startbot flow here. Now we need a trigger keywords or an action button here. Now I personally like the trigger keywords. So for this video tutorial, I will use the trigger keywords here. So let's just delete the action button. Now let's first connect these trigger keywords to our startbot flow here with the trigger input. Now if you want to use the action button, you will need to connect it under the action button here. Now let's double click this. Then enter the keyword that will trigger our bot. Let's say hi. Now you can select exact keyword match or string match. Now the exact keyword match, the customer needs to reply this exact keyword here. Now if you select this string match, if the customer replies with a sentence and there's a keywords in one, or there's a word, one word there that describe your keyword here, the bot will also trigger. Now let's just select the exact keyword match, then click done. Now you can directly connect the startbot flow to our video component, but for this I will just first put a text in between it. So let's make our flow much more conversational. It's up to you, of course, but for today I will just use the text. Then I will enter I will put the video component at the last part of it. Now let's connect the startbot flow to our text component. Also, don't forget to name your startbot flow. So let's say video component demo. There. You can also select a labels here. Now in the text, let's enter the text message or the first message your customer will see once they contacted you. So let's say, welcome to my channel. Let's say this is a YouTube channel that has a Facebook page on it. So let's say, welcome to my channel. First name and the last name of the customer. Typing on display, then click done. Then let's add a button here. Let's say the customer has let's just double click this. The customer has the options to watch your latest videos on your YouTube. So let's say the button text. So watch latest video here. Then the button type. For now, let's just click new post back. But if you have created different post back on your messenger bot, you can use it also. You can also use a web URL. You can also direct the customer to your YouTube channel if you want. Web view, everything here, you can use it. Now for this tutorial, I will just use the new post back because this is a new flow that we are creating. Then click done. Now here you can title it here anything that you want for your new post back. Then if you have a label, you can choose it also here or labeled it here. Now you can select a new sequence if you want to create a new sequence for this conversation here. But for now, I will just leave it blank. Then click done because I will input our video component at the last part. So the customer will be, once the customer click the button here, the customer will be able to view the video that will enter here. Now let's just click next and then connect it here. Then let's enter the video here. New episodes every Sunday. Then just upload your video. Let's just wait for it to be uploaded successfully. Okay, now it's done. Then click done here. There. Now you have created a very simple video component focused flow builder here. Now you can play around it if you want, that best suits your needs for your businesses or whatever social platform or online platform that you're using. Then once you're done, just click save here or Control S. There. Now just click back. Now here is our created flow builder. Now let's try it in my Facebook demo page. Let's go to my Facebook demo page here. Then let's just message it. Then if you remember, I used the hi word as my keyword trigger. So let's say hi here. Then the bot should reply. There, welcome to my channel, Zigzags. Then it has a button under it, the watch latest video here. Now what? Once we click this, the bot will reply the video to us. So we need to wait for a couple of minutes or seconds because of course the video needs to upload first in our Facebook platform. But you get the idea, of course, guys, that you can use these components whatever you like or whenever you like inside your flow builder. But if you're having trouble on building your own flow builder, you can also contact our support group. They will help you create your own flow builder. Oh, great. Now, the bot replied with our video here. There. Okay. Well, that's it for today. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any suggestions about messengerbot, please do not hesitate to comment it down in the comment section below. That's it for today. I wish you guys a very wonderful day. Bye.